Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Natalie and this is Ellie, my little Parsons Jack Russell Terrier. She just woke up from her nap, so she looks a little sleepy at the moment, but she sometimes joins me on my videos. So if you love dogs or if you love luxury handbags and unboxings, please consider subscribing. Would love to see you in future videos. I think I might pop her down because she might be ready for another nap. I don't know, she looks a bit sleepy. So in today's video, I'll be doing a mini Hawaii haul. Anthony and I went to Hawaii last year in November. So we had our wedding in November and then shortly afterwards we went to Hawaii for our honeymoon, and it was such a beautiful place. If you guys haven't been to Hawaii before, I'd highly recommend it. The beaches there are beautiful, the weather's beautiful, the food is beautiful, like everything about it. It's just very expensive because the Australian dollar is not that great at the moment, so, or compared to the USD. So yeah, that's why we didn't do too much shopping. We just kind of enjoyed the food, enjoyed being with each other, and just enjoyed just being there, just being overseas again. The shopping in Hawaii is amazing. They have a whole strip of shops, and also they have a really huge shopping center. It's the Ala Moana Center. So if you guys are in Hawaii, definitely check out Ala Moana. They have everything from luxury brands, contemporary brands, high street brands. So everything is all in the one shopping center. And the thing I love about their shopping centers is that it's all outdoors. Like you can enjoy the sunshine while shopping, and yeah, it's just so beautiful. Before we get started, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Natalie from Organize My Bag. So before the wedding last year, she actually sent me their new launch of their bag organizers. So when she sent this organizer to me, she also wrote this personalized message, which was so sweet of her. And she also included something a little bit special for my trip because she knew I was getting married and I was going to Hawaii for my honeymoon. So we chatted over Instagram for a bit, and she actually sent me this beautiful sun hat that says "Just Married" on it. And it's so beautiful. Like, it's actually a really nice sun hat. It covers my whole entire face and it's just so nice. And it says "Just Married" on the side, or you could have it at the back. So when I wore this on Waikiki Beach, a lot of people actually came up to me and said congratulations. And yeah, it was just really nice, like a really nice moment. Very practical too to wear in Hawaii. So thank you so much, Natalie. This is so sweet. So let's get into the unboxing of the bag organizer. So it just comes beautifully packaged like this, and it came beautifully wrapped. So here we have the bag organizer. So this one here is for my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. I think she does a number of different bag organizers for different bags. So check out the website. I will leave it in the description box below. I do also have a 10% discount code for the entire website. So this is what it looks like. And the one thing that really stood out to me with this bag organizer is that it's a suede material. So a lot of the bag organizers out on the market are made of felt, which is still nice but a bit more rough, whereas this is so luxurious and like so soft to the touch. Look at all the organization in it. You've got two water bottle holders, little sleeve pockets so you can put like credit cards or like a card holder or receipts. And then the thing I love is it's got three little, I think they're pen holders, but I could easily just put like a lipstick in here. So let's just pop this in together. So I think you keep it collapsed like that, and then you slot it in, kind of squeeze. Just because it is soft, you can kind of like maneuver it in easily, and then once it's in, you kind of expand it out like that, and it actually fits really nicely. Oh, it's so pretty. And the red actually matches beautifully too. So I can't wait to use this. The reason why I don't really reach for the Speedy 30 is, one, it's quite big, and you know, with the mini bag trends at the moment, so that was one of the reasons. But also it's always like a bottomless pit. Like, it's so hard to like find things in here because it's so big and there's no real pocket. It's only this little slip pocket here, but other than that there's nothing else, no other interior pocket. So having this organizer in here will help me so much with organization and keeping everything neat and tidy. So yeah, that's the little organizer, the new launch. So if you're interested, definitely check out their website. I do have that 10% discount code that you can use, which I'll link in the description box below. So one of the first stores we went to was Sephora, and I was so excited to check out Sephora because the US Sephora stocks a lot of different brands compared to the Australian Sephora. So I got two lipsticks from the brand Merit, and I just love the packaging of these and the color tones and everything about it. The brown tones to the packaging with the gold just screams luxury to me, even though it's not even that expensive. So the first thing that I got was the lipstick. So this is in the color Baby. This is their signature lip lightweight lipstick, and this is what the color looks like. So it's a really nice brown with a pink undertone, and it's actually what I'm wearing today, and I think it just looks really, really cute, really pretty, perfect for every day. And then the second one that I got is Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil, and this is in the color Au Natural. This has more of a brown undertone to it, so it just looks like that, just a little doe foot applicator. So then the next store we went to was one that I've been dying to go to, and it's Anthropologie. So I purchased this mug from Anthropologie. It's like a homeware store, but they sell clothes as well, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, it's really unique, it's really pretty inside, but it's very expensive. Everything is very expensive in there. But I just purchased this mug, and I've been wanting this for a number of years. Like, I think the first time I saw it was like on Pinterest, like years and years ago, and I'm so glad that they still stock it. It's just this really pretty like initial mug. So it has the letter N obviously for Natalie, and it's just a really pretty mosaic print with like gold foil around it. And it's so beautiful. I'm currently drinking my tea at the moment. So yeah, this is what I purchased from Anthropologie. Nothing big, but I just love this, and it just makes me happy every time I use it. So Ella Moana also have a lot of department stores. They have like Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, so many. And it was around the time where the Christmas collections for brands were coming out, and I really, really wanted to get my hands on the Chanel cosmetic case, or the Christmas edition cosmetic case, or holiday edition, whatever they call it. But I went to a few of the department stores and they said they hadn't got in stock yet, but I was really lucky enough to stop by Neiman Marcus, and they just got a shipment in, and I got this one here. So this is the lip gloss trio set, and this comes in the beautiful red packaging, or red cosmetic case. So this is what the cosmetic case looks like. So it's red with like the beautiful metallic gold thread throughout, and it's got a beautiful gold zipper. The only thing that really bums me out about this one is that it doesn't come with the little loop on the sides here, so you can't actually convert this into a handbag. It's purely just like a little clutch or a cosmetic case. So the ones I did last year actually came with the little loops, but unfortunately in Australia they don't actually release the Christmas or holiday edition sets. So then when I knew I was going to Hawaii, it was actually on my wish list to actually go out and look for this cosmetic case. So it just comes in like tissue paper, so they don't come in individual boxes. And then on the inside it's just like a red material. I don't think this is like waterproof or anything, so if you got makeup on it, if you actually use it as a makeup pouch, I think it would still stay in the inside of it. So yeah, that's the little cosmetic case that it came with. And then all the lip glosses are individually wrapped. So these are what the lip glosses look like, and one is like a really pretty dark purpley nude color, and they've got a lot of shimmer in it, or this one has a lot of shimmer in it. This one is like a nice nude pink color, so I can picture wearing this every day. And it has a little bit of shimmer, but not too much, not compared to like this one. And then this one is just pure gold with gold shimmers all around it. So I imagine this would just be more like a topper lip gloss. So yeah, they're really pretty colors. We also went to check out the outlet. I can't remember the name of it, but I think it's the only outlet in Hawaii. But they stock brands like Tommy Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren, Kate Spade, Michael Kors. So a really good selection of contemporary brands. And I purchased a couple of things, not too much. I thought that the outlet would be a lot more affordable, a lot cheaper, but I think compared to Australia, like when we have sales, it ends up being almost the same price anyway. But yeah, I just picked up a couple of things just because they were like a bit more discounted. So the first thing that I got were from Ralph Lauren. So it's just these two polo shirts, nothing crazy or anything, but I just thought these would be nice for work. Like I could just easily wear them, and they're actually really thick, so I could easily wear them in autumn and winter as well. One is like a stripy grey/white shirt, and one's just like a denim blue shirt. And then I also purchased this dress from Tommy Hilfiger. So it's like a t-shirt dress, so it goes all the way down and it goes to about my knees. And this is actually really nice. So I actually wore this to the Australian Open. So we have the Australian Open tennis every year in January, and I thought this was just perfect for it. So I got this with the intention of wearing it at the tennis. And then yeah, as I mentioned, I didn't buy too much else, just a couple of other shirts and scarves and a bit of some other accessories for some family. So yeah, that was about it from the outlets. I almost forgot, I got this t-shirt from Hawaii as well. So this is from Uniqlo, and this is the Leonards Bakery t-shirt. So it's a really pretty like baby pink color with like a hot pink square on the top. So Leonards Bakery, and oh my god, we were like there so many times during our trip. So Leonards Bakery is a really famous place where they sell malasadas, which is like this warm sugary donut. It's just so soft, like there's nothing like it. I've never had tried anything like it before. So like crunchy, but then fluffy on the inside and just delicious. Like absolute delicious. And in Uniqlo in Hawaii, they do like limited edition t-shirts that are only sold in Hawaii. So this is the Leonards Bakery one. So I really wanted to get something from there just to kind of remember my trip by. I also got this from the Leonards store, which is like a really cute pink color. I mainly got it just because it's pink, but it's like the same one, same font as the t-shirt. So this I just had to get as well. So this is like a insulated bag, so you can keep things warm or cool in here. And yeah, it's just really lightweight and folds up really easily, so I thought it wasn't too bad to carry back home. The next thing that I got is a little bit more of a luxury purchase, or it's more from a contemporary brand. It's something from Longchamp, and when I saw this, I was just so in love with it. The moment I saw it, I was like, that is so cute. I want that so badly. So it comes in the little Longchamp dust bag, and what I purchased is the little, I think it's the Crossbody XS Pure bag or something like that. I'll leave it in the description box below so you can check it out. I think I purchased this from Bloomingdale's, and they actually offer like 15% off for international clients. I think that's just like a deal that they do just because they don't do like a tax rebate on purchases. Like for example, if you purchase stuff in Australia and you're traveling overseas, you get the tax back from it. But because I don't think Hawaii do that, they just have like a lower tax rate, and also they offer like some brands, not all brands, but some brands offer extra discounts for international travelers. So yeah, I ended up purchasing it because in Australia this retails for $575, whereas in Hawaii, I think I paid, like once it was all converted, it ended up being like 300 Australian dollars, or just under 300 Australian dollars. So I saved over $150 by purchasing it there. So I was happy with that. And when I saw it sitting on the shelf, I was like, oh my God, is that a handbag? I was like so confused because I'm like, it looks like the little flap of the Longchamp Le Pliage tote bag. So I bought mine just to show you what I mean. This little flap here, I think it's supposed to mimic that, and it's just like a mini version of like a mini bag version of that little flap, and I thought that was so cute. So it looks like the bag has a giant flap on the top, but I just thought that was so cute. So it has the little button, the same button with the little Longchamp logo, the same as the one here. So I just thought that was so adorable. So this is like a cowhide leather, I'm pretty sure, and there's no back pocket or anything, but you just open it up like a button snap closure. So flip it open, and it's got a beautiful long crossbody or adjustable strap, so in the same leather, and it's actually attached to the bag so you can't remove it. So flip it open, and it's got the most luxurious suede, very similar feeling to the organizer from Organize My Bag. It's like a really nice soft suede material. So this is cowhide suede leather. There's just one pocket there, and then otherwise it's just like one big compartment where your phone will actually fit. So I have the iPhone 13 and that fits perfectly. I'm not too sure if the plus sizes would fit. I imagine not, just because it is a fairly mini bag, and I actually don't have like a brown casual bag that I can wear, so this is just perfect. And I just love how like it's kind of like the messenger style bag. It's really cute. It's, yeah, perfect. So if you guys are eyeing, like for example the Hermes Constance, but you don't want to pay thousands of dollars for that Hermes Constance bag, I think this is a really good alternative. It's really cute. It's really small, compact. The leather is so nice. It's really durable. It's like the same cowhide leather that they use on the Longchamp Le Pliage tote bags. So yeah, this is so cute, and I'm really happy that I saved a bit of money on it as well. We also went to the Kalahua, I'm not too sure. I'm really bad at pronouncing the names. The Kalahua Ranch. We went there and went on like the Jurassic Park kind of tour, or the movie tour there. And yeah, we're big movie buffs, as you guys know, or you may know that we met at the cinemas, like working at the cinemas. And yeah, so the cinemas and the movies have a really special spot in our hearts. So yeah, we went to the sets where they film a lot of the movies, like Lost, Jurassic Park, King Kong. It was just amazing seeing the sets there. So we did a tour of that, and then afterwards there was like a little souvenir shop, and I actually purchased this little pearl bracelet. I think it's freshwater pearl, and I just think it's so pretty. I just wore this non-stop on my trip because I thought it was very like Hawaiian beachy-esque. So the pearls are like kind of flat edged and oval shaped. They're not like classic round pearls, and they're all different, so I just love the look of it. One of the very last things that I purchased from Hawaii was from none other than Louis Vuitton. You know, I just had to pick something up from Louis Vuitton, and this is really, really special. So let's just do a quick unboxing on it. It just comes in a little bag like this, so it just comes in this small box here. They even put like a little gift tag on it. It just slides open like that. Comes in this really cute little dust bag. So what I purchased, I'm sure you guys, if you guys know me, you might know what this is. I talk about this all the time on my channel, which is probably like a huge giveaway. But what I got from the Louis Vuitton store in Ala Moana, Hawaii, was the little Louis Vuitton key pouch in the Christmas edition, or Christmas animation. So this is the one with the Paris print on it. I think they also do like a Seoul print and a New York print, if I'm not mistaken, in the little key pouch. And this is just perfect because if I was to get any piece from the Christmas animation collection, it would be this print and also this piece. So it was just perfect. I can't believe they still have the Christmas animation, because this was like probably in December, early December, that we were in Hawaii that I went to ask about it. So usually these sell out as soon as they're released, but yeah, they just had them in stock. And the one thing that I love about this key pouch, not only the print of it, so at the back it's just the normal Louis Vuitton key pouch, which is really cute, and then when you flip it, it's got the print there, but the interior of this is to die for. Like, it's this really pretty hot pink, kind of like similar to this shirt here, and it's got the keychain obviously, but this pink is just beautiful. And this piece is made in France. I think all of the animation pieces, or majority of them, are made in France anyway, so this is just amazing. Like, that pink is just so me. I love pink, and then I love the Paris print, and the key pouch is so handy. Not that I need another key pouch. I honestly did not need another key pouch, but I thought this was just like something special. The price point is really expensive, and this was a little bit hard to swallow. This was, I think, 500, just a bit over $500, like under 550, but it was like 500 Australian dollars, which is not too bad considering in Australia, I think it retails for like 450 or so. So I just paid a bit over retail, but I knew that it would have been sold out in Australia like in an instant. So I was really surprised that Hawaii actually had a couple of these in stock. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. And that is all from my Hawaii haul, mini Hawaii haul. As I said, I didn't purchase too much. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more content lined up, so stay tuned for that. But until my next video, take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.